Hi, this is the Motorola Moto E13 and now I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face just to see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock option works correct. Just our device unlocked just less than in the second. This is the good result for the face unlock. It just looks okay that the device just recognize just my face. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.